everyone, my name is Jenna. Today we're going to talk about Speck's Presidio Perfect Clear phone case and added wallet accessory. The phone case is MagSafe, it comes with a no-slip click lock, and is drop protected. Let's check them out. Let's take this out of the box. It's got this really easy slide here. Ooh, it pops out really easily. It's very, very clear, which is super cool because if you have a fancy colored iPhone like I do, then you can see the beautiful color right through the case. Looks very, very sturdy, so you don't have to worry about your phone getting damaged if you drop it. Super cool. I love it. The phone case comes with up to 13 feet drop protection where it will absorb the shock of the phone, which is really great because when my kids steal it out of my back pocket with their little buttery fingers, I don't have to worry about it getting damaged. All right, now let's look at the wallet. All right, there we go. The accessories and the phone case come with this interlock ClickLock system, which is really cool because it's really flat when you're just holding it like this, but it's got this little indent here. Just add that, ooh, that was nice. I like that. Then you really know that it's in there and I don't have to worry about my credit cards falling out or sliding out when I slip it into my back pocket or into the side pants. And that's because of the ClickLock interlock technology. I love how it feels. It's very nice and smooth. It looks really nice on the back of the case. The credit card will just slide really easily right in there. And then when you need to get it out, all you have to do is just push. So then you don't have to worry about trying to dig your nails in there to get it out. It's super simple, slides right in, pushes right out. The phone cases come in multiple different colors. Here are a couple options for you. I really love how smooth they feel, and they have scratch resistance as well. We do sell additional accessories online. One is a kickstand that you can have on your work desk, and the other one is an additional car mount that you can click right into your vent and put your phone right up there. All right, now that we've had a chance to look at some of the features with the case, let's actually get my phone in there. Slide it right in here. You can hear it click and lock, and oh my goodness. Wow, it's really in there. It's gonna be really safe. It feels really secure. It's got these raised edges here so that you know it's clicked in there really well. All right, everyone, that about covers it. Literally covers it. Today we had a chance to review Speck's phone case with ClickLock technology and MagSafe for an Apple iPhone 14 and 15. If you would like more information, please click the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay classy. Peace.